Hi friends, welcome to Create with Miss Funk. My name is Miss Funk and this is what we will be creating today, a mini storybook. I thought it would be fun right now to create a mini storybook because during this time of COVID-19 and staying at home, we're creating history. So here's our chance to write our own story. And who doesn't like something mini? These are the supplies you'll need.
No, you gotta start over.
These are the supplies you'll need.
No, just wait. Drama? Okay, go ahead.
These are the supplies you'll need. 1 piece or more of 8.5 by 11 printer paper. I would recommend not using anything thicker than usual paper because of our folding. You'll also need scissors, and those are the main ingredients. The rest is all for decorating. You can use crayons, you can use markers, pens, stickers, tape, anything you can find to make your story fun and colorful and decorated. Let's get started. Alright, we want to start with our paper hamburger way, not hot dog way, nice tall building. So we are first going to fold our paper in half and nicely crease down the fold. It helps if you use your nail the second time to make it nice and crisp. Then open it up again and fold it in half the other way. Again, take your time and make that crisp, clean fold. Next, you take the open part, fold it down to the bottom. Flip it over so that your fold is still on the bottom, and then take the top flap and fold it down. Next, you want to look at your book like an accordion and find the fold here. Then you're going to cut on that part of the paper down to where it meets the other side and stop. Then you're going to pull the sides apart and put all the pages together. Then you'll end up with a book with 4 pages. If those instructions were difficult for you, I will link a visual in the description box below. Next is our time to decorate. I made mine a story about my time during COVID-19. However, you can make it about whatever you want. So, I will show you how to draw this cute little house, and then I will just let you go crazy and do what you want in your story. So, if you want to follow along with how to draw a house, now is your chance. I would recommend using a pencil for your drawing first and then outlining in black. I'm just using a pen to show you the lines more clearly. First, you're going to draw the outline of the house by drawing 3 sides of a square. The side, the bottom, and the other side. Next, we'll put the roof on top, which is an upside down V. And to make it have a little more dimension, you can make it into two long rectangles that are touching at the top. Next, we'll draw the chimney, which comes up on either side of the roof. And I like to add a little ledge on the top. And of course, some hard smoke coming out the top, because there's lots of love in this house. Next, we'll draw a little rectangle at the bottom of the house to make a step. Some nice thin rectangles. I like to do a rounded door, but you can do a rectangular one. And of course a doorknob, people need to get in there. And I did a heart window. I'm just feeling the love lately. Did a window at the top above the door. And one window on each of the sides. Now, make sure you add some shrubbery or lawn or flowers on either side of your house and label your story name with its title. My story, I named My Story During COVID-19, and of course put the author's name by Miss Funk. The rest of your book can be designed however you wish. I'll show you mine to give you some inspiration.
My Story During COVID-19 by Miss Funk. This is a snapshot of what I did during COVID-19 in 2020. I watched plants grow on my windowsill. I ate them too. I baked lots of new things. I also ate them. Muffins, bread, baguette, cookies, and bagels. I talked to my friends over video chats. I did yoga every day. I cleaned every corner of my house.
If you want to continue your story, like I might, you can make another folded book, open up the last page of your first book and the first page of your next book, and have a parent staple in the middle of your book, or glue those pages together, and you can add as many chapters as you want. There we have it, our mini storybooks. I hope you had fun creating today. I can't wait to see what kind of stories you come up with. And I bet you're wondering where the dance party is today. Well, sorry to say that there was no paint to dry, no bubbles to dry today. So I challenge you to get your body moving with 10, 10, and 10. 10 jumping jacks, 10 sit-ups, and 10 push-ups. If I can do it, you can do it. And don't forget to smile.
Don't forget to stop
And don't-
smiling.
And don't forget to keep smiling.